Good Tuesday morning, everyone. This is Bill with Severe Radar Watchers. It's August 10th, 2021. We're looking at the severe weather outlook for today. We have a level 3 enhanced risk here in Minnesota, Illinois, and Iowa. We had a lot of tornadoes last night that came through. I'll do an overview of that in a minute. Right now, we're going to look at the severe weather outlook. There's even a large level 2 slight risk for today that goes from Kansas, most of Iowa, northern central Missouri, almost all of Illinois, half of Indiana, northwest corner of Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, and the southeast corner of Minnesota. So we're going to see what kind of risk we have today. Let's look at our tornado risk through the Radar Mega app. Right now, we have a 2% tornado risk. It includes Des Moines, Iowa, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rockford, Illinois, Madison, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Green Bay, Wisconsin. All this area right in here, and even this part of Michigan up here has a 2% tornado risk. Let's look at our wind risk for today. There's a 30% risk for damaging winds. This will be where the enhanced risk is for today. There's also a 15% significant risk for damaging winds today in this area. But the main concern for damaging winds will be right here, where 30%, including Rockford, Illinois, Madison, Wisconsin, Milwaukee, and Kenosha, and also part of Iowa. You see, it's like Dubuque, Iowa. Sorry. Then we have a 15% risk for damaging winds that encompasses where the level 2 slight risk is, and then a 5% that goes all the way from New York, Michigan, down into Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle, all through this area. Now let's look at our hail risk for today. See, we got a 5% hail risk for much of Michigan, almost all of Wisconsin, almost all of Iowa, down in Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma Panhandle, Missouri, through Illinois, parts northwest, extreme northwestern Indiana. But we have a 15% here that includes Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Dubuque, Iowa, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So that's your wind risk for today. So we just need to stay weather alert and ready for anything that could come out today. Severe thunderstorms are capable of wind damage, and isolated large hail will be possible across this broad portion of the Midwest and Great Lakes region, especially this afternoon and evening. Locally severe gusts will also be possible in parts of the Ohio Valley and Central Appalachians in the Northeast states. As you see now, this is the MRMS view of local radar. So you see there's already some thunderstorms over here, heavy rain and thunderstorms over here in Pennsylvania and West Virginia, and also going through Ohio, Columbus area. And we have a special weather statement for one right here in Missouri that expires in 5 minutes. So the storms are there, the daytime heating, and then we'll see what happens afterwards later this evening. If they do an update on today later, do any increase in the risk, I'll get back and update those. But right now, show you what we got. Like I said, this overview, we have a level 3 enhanced risk here Then we got your level 2 slight risk, and then your large marginal risk that goes into the northeast states, and then a general thunderstorm risk. So, like I said, stay weather aware, stay alert, tune into your local meteorologist whenever severe weather comes. Have more than one way of getting an alert. Make sure you have your wireless alerts on your phones turned on, and also weather radios. They are a lifesaver, so you need to have those also. But just a quick overview from last night. Let's take the severe weather off. Sorry about my phone ringing. Storm reports. Let's go 24 hours on tornadoes. See, there was a lot of tornadoes reported last night. There was over, I think they said 18, mostly here in Illinois and Wisconsin, but mainly here in Illinois. You got some up here in North Dakota, and I'll do an update on those later. But y'all have a good day. Stay safe. Stay weather aware.